Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Canon Selphy Square QX10 photo printer with the Android phone. Now first we have to download an app from the App Store. So that is the Canon Selphy app. You can download it. Open this app. Once you open it, it displays the list of the printers. So that is the Selphy Square QX10. Select it. Now next is to switch on your printer. So press the power button and release it. The status light will start to flash, and after some time the flashing will stop and it will stay on. So wait for that. Go to the screen and go ahead. We have to load the paper. So if you want to know how to load it, I'll show you. So just have to push it and push it outside. Automatically it will open. Now the Canon paper goes here. So the glossy side should face downwards like this, and then you can push it in. Once we load it, scroll ahead. Now load the ink cassette. How to load the ink? If you go this side, open this section. Now take your ink. It has a arrow mark showing inside. So just place it in like this. Slide it in. Don't close it. Just wait, as we have to scan a barcode. Go ahead. And it says to scan a barcode, and click OK. Allow the photos to take a barcode photo. So the barcode is here, as you can see on the door. Once it scans, you can close it. Now click OK on the screen and go ahead with the settings. Allow it to use your Wi-Fi, connecting to the printer. So printer is registered. Click OK, and here we can see the main screen of our app. Now we can start using it. For example, you can select and print. So click allow. Smartphone, camera. So whatever the photos you have, you can start printing from here. So here you can give a print command and you can start printing. So this way we can do the setup of this printer and we can start using it. Thanks for watching.